Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi everyone. Yes, it's me, Doris. And I know you guys are on vacation right now. And I know right now you probably guys are at the aquarium still. And I'm, just chilling. But you know what is very productive. I'll tell you what I did today. Totally exciting, guys. I woke up. I watched Pirates of the Caribbean. Decided I wasn't hungry. Continued and watched Mean Girls. Then I got hungry. So I ate noodles. I think they're stir-fried noodles. And I had an egg with it. Yeah, that's good. Then after, I decided to be somewhat productive and finally put on a screen protector for my iPhone. Yeah, I can scratch it with my fingernails now. I won't be scared of anything. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I hope you guys are having fun at the aquarium while I'm, being productive, to say at least. Oh yeah, and Thomas. Do you like my bed hair? Just fixing it. You can see. I think it's kind of cute. Anyways, so this is my video of today, but if you want me to continue talking, just keep watching the video, and if you don't, just leave. Leave my heart-wrenching soul alone. My life. Don't face. And yeah. What else can I talk about? I'd like you to meet Hippo. He's adorable. It's so cute. And I got it filled up, and it's going to your face. It's going to your face. Hello there, everyone. Doris is beautiful. Alright, bye guys.